Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. I have here a white chocolate. It is Raffaello. So let's review this product. This is a white chocolate from Raffaello from Ferrero. Guys, ito siya. This one is, you can see, Ferrero. This is a product of Ferrero. Ferrero Raffaello. So I have here one box. So let's open this sachet. So let's see what is inside. Look at here. It's like a macarons. It is coated with coconut outside. Look here. Let's open. Ta-da! Look at here, look. So this is how it looks like inside. This is a white chocolate. Look at, guys. So just simply open it. This is a very sweet. And let's open inside. Look, inside there is almonds. This one is almonds, and this is like a nougat. Look at, guys, and this one is like a Whopper. Look, it's like a Whopper. So this is how it looks like inside this Raffaello sweets. And this is it. So it is just coated with like a macarons. This like a coconut outside, and the next layer is a Whopper. Just a Whopper. And this is a very sweet. Look at here. It's a white candy inside. It's like a milk candy inside. So I'm just cleaning my hand. So guys, this is it. So we will count how many pieces inside. So including the one I am opening, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, sorry. Okay, we will just count again. We will just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Then I ate also 3 pieces, guys. So in one box it is 30 pieces. 30 pieces inside of this Raffaello Ferrero. Look at this. So it is like that. So this Raffaello is a product from Raffaello. Is a Confeteria, and it is a product from Ferrero. Okay guys, thank you for watching this product review from Raffaello Ferrero. So don't forget to give a thumbs up and share this video, and stay tuned for more chocolate review right here from Leytenia'S Kitchenette. This one is made from Switzerland. This is a sweet Ferrero. Look at here. You can see the box. Ferrero. And this is it. This is ideal for giving a gift. This one especially for the children, for Christmas and for other special occasion. Raffaello from Ferrero. Dankeschön, and see you in my next unboxing and product review for chocolate. Bye bye.